Hello learners, today we will study chapter 13 active and passive voice, and today our topic is change of verb forms in passive voice in different kind of tenses. Okay, so one by one we will complete all tenses. Simple present tense. Okay, in simple present tense in active voice call, example call and calls are there. Then in passive voice we have to write is called, are called or am called according to the subject. Okay, one example is given here. Ridhma eats biscuits every evening. Okay, then yesterday I told you the how to change first subject in place of the object and object in place of the subject. Eats, simple present tense. In simple present tense verb form we have to use is, are and am. Okay, so biscuits are plural, so with biscuits we have to use are. Biscuits are, in place of eat we have to use eaten. Biscuits are eaten by Ridhma every evening. Okay, one more example. She decorates the house during festivals. Then subject is she and object the house. Okay, first change their place. The house decorates, simple present tense, and with the house is singular, so we have to use is. The house is decorated by her during festivals. Understand? Now next question is fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the simple present tense. Indian Premier League matches, simple present tense. In simple present tense we have to use is, are, am according to the subject. Subject is here matches, plural, so are, and always verb past participle form you have to use. So here are played. Second one, all the swimmers. Okay, this is also plural, so we have to use are trained. Okay, in passive voice always you have to use verb third form. Okay, the earthquake victims plural, then are provide third form provided. Students are call third form called. Okay, Republic Day it is singular, so here is Republic Day is celebrated. Next is, it is festival time and the family is preparing to celebrate Christmas in a big way. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the simple present tense. Okay, the floor you have to use simple present tense. Okay, the floor, mop is given word, then floor is mopped. Carpet is cleaned. Okay, the Christmas tree is kept. Always you have to use in passive voice, always you have to use verb third form and according to the subject. Subject is singular, then is, and plural, then are. Okay, next one is decorated. After that is hung. The big star is hung. At the entrance and cookies, cake, wafers are served. Wafer, these are plural, so are served. There is happiness and cheer in the air. Candles are also lighted and all are given gifts. Now in past tense. Okay, in simple past tense you have to use was and were. Okay, was and were and verb third form. Okay, understand that you have to use was and were and verb third form. Okay, same process, only you have to use was and were. Okay, first change the place of the subject and object, like the artist sketched the portrait, then this is the object and this is the subject, so change their place. Okay, first change their place. The portrait, it sketched, by reading sketch understand that it is in past tense. Okay, so was, we have to write was. The portrait was sketched by the artist. He packed the vases. The vases will come first. He, here in place of he we have to use him. The vases were packed by him. Next question is, rewrite the following sentence in the passive voice in simple past tense. Same, you have to use third form of the verb given in brackets, and was and were you have to use. The parrot was kept. Doctor was consulted. The bird was given fruit was eaten, and children were told. Okay, for plural you have to use were, and for singular you have to use was. And always verb already given in bracket, you have to use its third form, past participle form. Now fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the simple past tense. Same process. The huts were repaired. Okay, here were because huts is there, so were repaired. Scholars were awarded. Letter is singular, so letter was posted. The pulses plural, so were soaked. Show was postponed. Understand, students? Now simple future tense, like in simple present tense we are using is, are, am. Simple past tense in passive voice we are using was and were. And simple future tense in passive voice we have to use will be and shall be. Okay, take one example. The old lady will distribute blankets. Okay, subject is the old lady and blankets object. Okay, then change their place. Blankets and will is the verb here, then will be. In simple future tense, will already given, then you have to write will be. Blankets will be distributed by the old lady among the needy families. Okay, first you change the place. Okay, and then write. Okay, blankets, will is there, then will be. After the distribute, you know that in passive voice always you have to write past participle form, then write distributed, and after that by the old lady among the needy families. Next one is I shall make sandwiches. Okay, this one is sandwiches. Okay, sandwiches in the evening. Then sandwich is the object. Here sandwich is the object, I subject. Then sandwiches shall be made by me in the evening. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of verb in the simple future tense. The cleanliness monitor announced in the class. Simple future tense. Okay, so you have to use will be and verb already given in bracket, you have to use its third form. Then first one, students, cleanliness monitor announced in the class that the uniforms of all students will be checked. Okay, second one, the identity cards will be collected. Very easy, in all forms you have to use will be and verb. Third form, will be collected, will be used, will be picked, will be given. Okay, understand? Complete. Now next question, fill in the blanks with the passive form of verb in the simple future tense. Same way you have to use will be and verb third form. Okay, past participle form. An interesting story will be told to the children in the evening. The name of winners will be announced after 10 minutes. Women and children will be protected first in case there are floods. The babies will be given a bath only if it is not too cold. Okay, understand? You have to, in simple future tense you have to use, in passive voice you have to use will be and verb third form.